Izindaba ze-lunchtime zilethelwa uSims Right, umntana kaPoppy, i-ex yaka-Richard, obebizwa ngo-Richards Bay. Nanka amanqabuqabu. Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomntaba kadaddy, bomntaba kagogo, bomntaba ka-auntie, bomntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, I'm sorry, Kamukhala, I've got you covered. Titi, oh, hey, small and growing content creators, especially YouTubers, because that is like my absolute first love. I am hosting a mental health check-in event on the 28th of February at 9:30 until noon on the 28th of February at Vilagazi Street at the place called the Goosey Gander. Drinks, Sana. That is a tasting room, so drinks will be provided, food will be provided, and you're just going to be networking, mixing and mingling amongst other content creators that share your struggles, that share the challenges that you may also be facing in your content creation journey, especially when you are still growing, you are still frustrated, confused, you feel like you're putting out content but no one is watching you, you feel like you are burning out and no one is listening to your cries. So we'll all be in a room and we'll be going through the discussions and talking about everything on our content creation journey. I cannot wait to see you guys there. The space is limited, unfortunately. The venue can only take up to 23 people. I'm only having space for 20 people. 21 ngami, 22, put Moses 23, already says 23. So I only have about 18 tickets left because I started advertising on my Instagram and people were starting to show interest. So I was like, let me come to YouTube quickly. And if you won't be there physically, we will have an online show stream for you. I think online people will pay about 200 or 250. Yeah, because you guys won't be partaking in the food and the drinks. So yeah, that is what is happening on the 28th of February. I cannot wait to see that. It's a morning event. It's a morning event. Careful. Now, lawyers have started to weigh in on this Black Coffee and Ntembali case after Black Coffee took to his Instagram saying that he might get into trouble with his legal team, but he opened up on his stance regarding his case. I don't know what in the Rick Coffee, Nescafe, or Jacob's Croning Mile is going on with this man of Nkosinati Mapumulo. You know, I think the DJing systems are getting inside his uh, cerebral. This is why I did a commercial stream. His cerebral. You know what? Black Coffee. So this is what he said. I'm probably gonna get in trouble with my legal team for this comment, but as you said, this isn't just about me anymore and keeping quiet with this. It hasn't helped me in any way. He was referring to the new law that has dropped. You guys know that once you guys are lobolat and married customarily, your marriage is classified as a in community of property, half half. You've now entered into a civil union. A civil union equals to a half half, 50-50 assets. Yeah. So Barry, it's better you sign your prenup before you go into those lobola negotiations. Ne? So he was referring to that. And then he says, either way, details of our case at this point is out there. The case you mentioned is different from our case because there was no customary marriage. However, here are a few important points to note as some of the reasons for my appeal. Number one, intention. We both never intended to do customary marriage. All the details supporting this are in our case from both of us. Number two, we signed a prenup as our first step to the agreed civil marriage. Even our prenup states that we were unmarried. I obviously won't divulge more than this, but I hope this carries enough weight to keep the conversation going for all of you. Yes, the conversation is going for all of us. This man is here trying to gaslight us. Daylight! Guys, do you remember that Black Coffee and Entimbali did the traditional wedding first? And before she wore gert, before she did the gert Johan, she first did the Wamaimai. Or in like they first did the traditional. And traditionally, partaking in those customaries and activities of the Baponsis, what does that mean? It means you are being intentional. Hey, involving the Nyongo. Do you know goats and sheep are SMSs to the underground gang? So when you bought those animals to play with, just say that you got married unknowingly that it's going to bind you when it came to your money and your assets. Don't say you were never married. Ganjani. We were there. Not physically, but Selibatunzi, Diku, real Kaboza. Okay? But it wasn't the top billing one. The top billing one, you put it on 70 land. No. SABC3. How? How apply coffee? Don't gaslight us. Let's go. That was Pila. That was Pila. That was corner. How? So funu change to chiga chick. This is not a monopoly. Eh? We're not buying hotels and passing begin collect 200 here. Well, just say that, oh my goodness, I got married to this girl customarily. And then as I started becoming the blacker, the coffeeer, I said, shit, I'm making more money. My assets are going. Let us sign a prenup quickly. Let me give her the heart you hand fast. And then ngivale. You know, Hanti not knowing for you, Shem, it was too late. Because the first marriage is the one that is at play here. Lawyers are now discussing you on Twitter. We are now every week we have a new career on this platforms. Sesiyama-lawyers, ama-advocate, ngiyi-prosecutor, ngiyi-judge. There's no jury in South Africa, but we are all of it. We are now going through the statements. We are reading evidence. We are now categorically speaking. We are now UNISA graduates. What? You didn't know this was going to get this funny. I know you didn't. If you knew, you wouldn't have won that page. I just know. But unfortunately, we are here now. Now, let us get into yesterday's topic. Nina, nginfunala. Ilibatla one by one. Ozanla. Yesterday, I explicitly and categorically stated that my video was also my opinion. And I was reading comments from Twitter. And then I did add my 2 cents. And my 2 cents is my opinion. So you can't change it. No matter how much you disagree with it, you can't change my stance. Nah. Number one, I said I loved Kay so much because she did the self-care and the love. As time went on, I stopped relating to her. It doesn't mean I don't love her anymore. I just stopped relating to her. There comes a time you outgrow people. Like other people have outgrown me and my channel. He's okay. You live in the world of choice. And the choice is who's yours. Because why? DSTV satellite dish. Maninga my channel. Go YouTube. Great. Number two, no one ever stated xenophobic things because I removed those things because I told you we were going to be respectful in the comments. And number three, you see the comments that are there on that video. I put a heart on every comment, whether I agree or not. I put a heart on every comment to show that what? I acknowledge your response. I have read your comment and I respect your opinions, whether I agree with them or not. But I acknowledge your presence on my channel. But guess what? If there is no heart or no response from me in the comment section, it means that You are talking to yourself because I've blocked you from my channel. You know why? Because you've made a rude comment. Yeah. Because I tolerate nonsense. Maranye kuzungibelela on my channel. Ne? So if you've ever made a horrible comment, or disrespectful, or insulting, you are most likely talking to yourself in the comment section. No one sees your comment. No one sees you. Yes, you are allowed to comment, but you are a hidden visitor, because we don't deal with that here. And I don't want those type of people here. So, unfortunately, we don't see your comments. You are there writing paragraphs to yourself. You're not talking to us. I'm talking to me. And I'm talking to my senior management with that tone, like that. And then you come to my Instagram. Oh, Sims, I'm so sorry. It's too late for Mama. Well, she looked right and she's gone. She's gone. So it's too late for Mama also, because once you are blocked, you are blocked forever. Because you know why? In technology sometimes I don't know how to retrieve people I've blocked from YouTube. So yeah, they're talking to yourself. Kubuhlungu, ne? Because definitely, trust me, I spend hours on the comment section. I read each and every comment every day. I'm in the comment section. So if there's no heart on your comment, it means you are gone from this channel. You're talking to yourself. You are in jail, Robben Island, le Cape Town, Tinasla, Sontramonte, Soweto. Yeah, done. Done.
Hard, ladies. Let me not lie, divorce for me was easy because I wanted out.
Yeah.
But divorce is a hard thing to walk through if you don't have the support systems I just spoke of. You will fall, you will crumble if you do not have support systems. You will fall and you will crumble if you do not introspect and find what in you was problematic. Now that you have your support system, my mother, my girls, now that you have a great lawyer, you start to remove the people in your life that confuse you. Some people are just there to speak and say, who is it? Who depressed?